When it comes to the holidays, many of us will be serving the same traditional favorites as we have for years. And there's nothing wrong with that. But this year, I'm adding a new favorite which is packed with flavor and is very holiday festive. It's U.S. farm-raised catfish, and it's topped with a buttery crab meat topping. And not only does this look good, but it's super easy to prepare. We start by making a basic crab meat crumb topping, like we did here. Now, this goes on top of 4 U.S. farm-raised catfish fillets, and into the oven they go. The reason I use farm-raised catfish is the texture holds up to the topping, it's very fresh tasting, and everyone always loves it. Once it's baked, which just takes minutes, we drizzle it with a Parmesan cream sauce that is studded with roasted red peppers and chopped parsley. To get the recipe for what we call holiday special catfish fillets, which will be a very welcome addition to your table, along with all your other traditional favorites, simply visit our website. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I'm excited to share a dish that will be on my holiday table. And that means lots of, ooh, it's so good.